found a town nearby where all the birds wear shoes in their cozy houses or in the town square. All the birds are sporting their fancy footwear. With each step they take on the cobblestone streets, their shoes tap and click on their avian feet. See Clara the chicken in her Mary Jane shoes. She was the belle of the coop with nothing to lose. With confidence soaring and dreams set free, she danced through the farm as happy as can be. There's the Hawaiian cardinal with red plume on his head, original Nikes he wears in colors white and red. With each step he took in his shoes so grand, he races through the streets showing off his Nike brand. There's Sandy the seagull who loves to name drop. She struts on the pier in those green flip-flops. With her flip-flop shoes, this bird of renown, she's a seagull of style in this bird-filled town. There's Willow the warbler in the hamlet she taps, wearing those shiny shoes, those fancy T-straps. Note she'd sing, Willow the warbler danced, going up and down the street she gingerly pranced. There's Edgar the raven, he's quite a sight, with those feathers so black as the deepest midnight. Hidden beneath his feathers a secret he'd keep, a pair of pink slippers on his gray and skinny feet. Every bird is stepping to a merry refrain, bringing smiles again and again. In the town's small aviary there's Peter the parakeet, with green and yellow feathers and Doc Martens on his feet. With his black shoes clanking on the branches in a tree, he's a parakeet of fashion, all others would agree. There's Percy the pelican, always looking for a treat, a snorkel on his beak and flippers on his feet. With each dive he took, fish he did pursue, his snorkel helped him breathe in the waves so very blue. With a hoot and a holler, Olive the owl, she looks so fine, with those pink and fluffy slippers, they really look divine. For in those pink slippers she wears with great delight, as she hunts for her prey throughout the sleepy night. Should wander near this whimsical space, listen for the tapping of shoes in this bird-filled place. Their footwear brings laughter and a sense of delight, as they roam through the streets, all agree it's quite a sight. The music keeps bouncing through lantern-lit air, as the birds keep on dancing without any care. From sneakers to slippers, from sandals to straps, the birds fill the streets with their clatters and taps. They twirl and they wobble with feathery flair, bringing laughter and rhythm everywhere. Every shoe tells a story, each feather a delight, in the happiest bird town you'll ever see in sight. The tapping grows softer, the tapping grows softer. The birds still parade, the birds still parade. And somewhere nearby, another pair of tiny shoes is being made.